Take a ride in 2021 Chrysler 300. The Chrysler 300 combines sport and luxury in one unique and powerful package. If you're looking for elegance and performance, the 300 delivers. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, dual airbags, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, cruise control, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, floor mats, climate control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.